So basically we got the magnifying power to be FO by FE and L to be FO plus FE for object and final image to be at infinity. But as I said, what if they are not? Which means, what if UO and VE is not equal to infinity? And that means definitely VO is not equal to FO and UE is not equal to FE. And that means then the general formula of magnifying power remains as VO by UE and L remains as VO plus UE. Now to get the formula in terms of FO and FE, we have to use the Lenzmaker equation, for which we can say 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO and 1 by VE minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE. These are the two formula which we need to use to actually calculate the value of magnifying power and length of the telescope, because they are dependent on VO and UE, which can be calculated from these two formula. So let's consider a case, say case 1, where the object is at infinity but the final image is inverted, virtual and magnified. Now I hope you understand that is possible only if the infinite rays which are coming parallel to each other, they merge at a point, forms an image, but that distance VO will be equal to FO. But here we need to make sure that this UE is less than FE, which makes sure that the rays which are passing through the optical center and the rays after bending or refraction from lens, they divert away from each other, which needs to be extended backward to form an inverted virtual magnified image. And so this distance will be called as VE. So now if we take this case into consideration, definitely we have to use the Lenzmaker equation, for which since UO is infinity, we can say VO is still FO. But since VE is not infinity, we have to use this equation where UE is going to be negative because it is on the left hand side of the eyepiece. VE is also going to be negative because it is again on the left hand side of the eyepiece. And FE is going to be positive because it is a biconvex lens. Now if you calculate this, this becomes positive, and so this 1 by VE goes on the other side, making 1 by UE to be equal to 1 by VE plus 1 by FE, or in general UE to be equal to VEFE upon VE plus FE, that is by LCM method, and then taking the reciprocal. So now if we got these two values, and if I try to substitute these values in this respective formulas, we get the magnifying power as VO into 1 by UE की जगह पे we get 1 by VE plus 1 by FE, and magnifying power, the L, the length of the telescope, which is VO plus UE, will become VO plus, instead of UE we can substitute VEFE upon VE plus FE, and definitely VO can be substituted as FO, which means this becomes FO and this becomes FO. And so this is what we get as the final formula for this case, where the object is at infinity but the image is not, and the image is inverted, virtual and magnified. So we got now the general formula as magnifying power of telescope as VO by UE and the length of the telescope as VO plus UE. Now what if I take a case 2 where the object is not at infinity and the final image is at infinity? Don't you think in that case, if we use 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO, definitely if UO is not at infinity but it will be at a large distance, which means UO will be on the left hand side, which means it is going to be negative. Now if we want the image of objective to become object for eyepiece, we need to have the image on the right hand side of the objective, which means the final image of the objective will be positive, which is on the right hand side, and the lens is always biconvex, which means this is always positive. Now this means this becomes plus, and so 1 by VO becomes equal to 1 by FO minus 1 by UO, which makes VO is equal to UOFO upon UO minus FO. Again taking the LCM and the reciprocal of the equation. Now definitely we got the value of VO. At the same time, if the final image is at infinity and if we use 1 by VE minus 1 by UE to be equal to 1 by FE, if VE is infinity, that means UE has to be equal to FE. And so now if we substitute the value of VO and UE over here, we get the magnifying power to be UOFO upon UO minus FO into UE, that is FE, and LS, instead of VE we can substitute UOFO upon UO minus FO plus FE. Now this becomes the formula. So if you concentrate over here carefully, with every case the formula keeps on changing, and it is very difficult to remember every formula for every case. So it is better to remember a general formula and certain things for the special case. Now let's concentrate on that part. So we got the magnifying power general formula as VO by UE, that's the first thing, and the length of the telescope as VO plus UE. That's again the general formula. Now every time when we wanted to substitute the values for VO and UE, we have used Lensmaker equation, correct? And in that we got two special cases if you concentrate. The first case where object is at infinity. In that case VO is FO, that is the most important thing. And if object is not at infinity, in that case we got the formula for VO as UOFO upon UO minus FO, where the sign convention has already been used, so you need not use it another time. At the same time, for image also we got the two cases, something like, first image is at infinity. In that case we got UE to be equal to FE, and the second case where the image is not at infinity, and in that case we got UE as VE FE upon VE plus FE.